بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Melon.
A large round fruit with hard yellow or green skin, sweet flesh, and a lot of seeds.
Cantaloupe.
A type of melon that is round and has yellow or green skin and sweet orange flesh.
Avocado.
A tropical fruit with thick, green, or purple skin, a large round seed, and green flesh.
Strawberry.
A small juicy red fruit that has small brown seeds on its surface.
Olive.
A small bitter green or black fruit that is eaten or used to produce oil.
Blackcurrant.
A small, round, dark purple fruit that grows on a bush and is usually cooked before being eaten.
Grapefruit.
A fruit that is like a large orange but has a yellow skin and tastes less sweet.
Honeydew melon.
A type of melon with a pale skin and green flesh.
Water chestnut.
Water chestnut is a more like a fruit of an aquatic plant that grows in shallow waters.
Mandarin.
A small, sweet type of orange with loose skin that comes off easily.
प्लीज़ हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।